this is the biggest news for AVAX this year. That's right, I'm bringing another Avalanche AVAX crypto video today. And we got some major news that will make buying cryptocurrency, especially AVAX, even easier without going to a centralized exchange, guys. So this is some big news. We got some more news. We seeing AVAX absolutely take off, especially with the meme coin rush. Meme coins are building steam on AVAX. We seeing subnets being built out. And not only that, we are starting to see traditional financial institutions come on to blockchain technology, which I believe will make AVAX one of the top blockchains in this bull market. So we're going to get all the way into that, but before we do, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on your notifications for all updates on the AVAX crypto, because now is one of the best times to buy, man. We are so far away from all-time highs, and when all-time highs hit previously, we were pretty much overvalued, but now I believe that is a good price for AVAX because of how much they have been building since those previous all-time highs. So I do believe it's so much left in store, and we got so much runway left that we have so much to take off, man. So much room to take off. AVAX will hit that all-time high again, and we are starting to put together something major for this blockchain. So let's get into it. Also, I gotta let you know, I'm not a financial advisor whatsoever. I just talk about the projects that I personally invest in. So always, when it comes to cryptocurrencies, you gotta understand this is a volatile market. We don't know where cryptos are going, but we do know it's here to stay, and it's been building since, the inception of Bitcoin. So I don't believe the creativity and the building process will stop. It's only going to continue to go and grow further. So we love to see that for crypto, but you got to understand, man, always have conviction in whatever project you're investing in. No matter if I'm talking about it, another content creator is talking about it, make sure you know what you're investing in at the end of the day. Now, enough of that. I know y'all like, Tro, let's get to the good stuff of the video, man. We already know you're not a financial advisor. I just gotta let y'all know, but we gonna start off talking about today price and where we at with it. Let's check it out. AVAX, where we at? All right, so we can see currently, man, we at $33.74. So this past month we are down 28% because we went up to $50 in April. So April 2024 has been a good year for crypto. If we zoom out just a year, you are up 100% if you started buying AVAX a year ago, and you are up way more than 100% if you started buying in October. So when AVAX hit that $9 mark, I was telling folks, hey, I'm buying AVAX. I'm buying it like crazy. Get in now while you can, because we might never ever see a $9 AVAX, and I do believe wholeheartedly that we won't see a $9 AVAX again. Now, it can happen because we know the crypto space is super volatile, but at the end of the day, AVAX is one of the best blockchains out there, and we see it, and we can see how it appreciates very, very fast. Now, the market cap is at $12.7 billion, and that's ranked 12, and I do believe AVAX will be a top 10 crypto project in this bull market. Volume has been pumping rather. It is down 7% in the past 24 hours, but we almost at $500 million in volume, and it's going crazy. So ranked number 18 out of all the cryptocurrencies right now. AVAX is looking beautiful, man. The setup is perfect. Like, this setup, if you look at this chart, it's looking too good to not buy. And I don't understand why people wait until it starts appreciating. When others are fearful, you want to be greedy in this market. You want to be greedy. And when others are greedy, you be fearful and you want to sell. But a lot of people, it sounds good coming out, but I know it's hard. If you're not buying right now, I would just say hold your horses, wait until prices appreciate. But I will not sell at this price unless I'm taking profits. I'm not selling AVAX at a loss at $33 because I do believe AVAX can easily hit that all-time high again, and we know all-time highs was at $134. So we still have so much more room until we hit that $134 mark, and that's why I'm saying dollar cost averaging over time is your best friend, because if we go all the way out, zoom all the way out, if you would have bought AVAX in 2020, price was once at $5, guys, and we will never probably see that $5 mark again for AVAX unless something crazy absolutely wrecks the market. Dollar cost averaging over a 4-year span would have gave you 600% gains, and that's a good gain if you comparing it to other asset classes such as real estate or stocks or whatever the case may be. Over the 4-year span, 630% is absolutely nuts, man. So dollar cost averaging, your best friend, don't forget that. Now let's get into some of the good stuff. I told you the traditional financial market is coming on the AVAX blockchain, and that's why I believe it will be one of the top blockchains, for the simple fact that it's so many so much liquidity as far as traditional TradeFi right now. So we got billions of dollars on that's not on blockchain. We do want to put all of those, that liquidity onto the blockchain in the future. Now, I'm not saying AVAX will be that specific blockchain, but I do believe it will be one of the blockchains to do that. And it's trillions of dollars. I said billions at first, but it's actually trillions of dollars when you count stocks, equities, bonds, all those type of things where you can put on blockchain and verify ownership. So we can see Citigroup found that tokenizing traditional assets in a compliant, efficient environment has the potential to transform the way private market assets are held and transacted today. So pretty much what I was saying earlier, just how if you can be able to show ownership on blockchain technology, we can put real world assets onto the blockchain, and that's going to be super huge. I believe that's a narrative that a lot of people are not talking about. Real world assets is so much money in the real world. It's about $5 to $10 trillion that's not currently on the blockchain when it comes to, like I said, the real estate, equities, and bonds, and other asset classes as well. So we can put everything onto the blockchain, and if AVAX just gets 1% of that, it's going to absolutely help the blockchain take off. So very bullish on that. Then we got the Earn network. We can see the major blockchain in which we deploy our new solution is AVAX. So Earn 2.0 supports staking on AVAX. This is another major partnership in my personal opinion. Now, last but not least, this is what I was talking about, guys. This is the biggest news for AVAX of the year. Let's check it out. So we can see further enabling consumers to onboard into Avalanche. Growing dApp ecosystem is closely aligned to our goal of making it safe and easy for everyone to access the power of Web3. And that's coming from the head of crypto from Stripe. So if we don't know Stripe, Stripe is a global technology company that builds economic infrastructure for the internet. So we know about Stripe, business owners know about Stripe, but Stripe just made it easier to buy AVAX without going through a centralized exchange. And a lot of people don't like going through centralized exchanges. Me personally, I buy on a centralized exchange and I send it to my decentralized wallet. But this is very, very big because we can now just go directly to Stripe to buy AVAX and then onboard it onto the blockchain. And that's going to make it more seamless. We don't have to do too many things, try to find a crypto project and things like that. It just makes it seamless for people to buy AVAX and put it on blockchain technology. So a lot of bullish things going on for the Avalanche blockchain. And we love to see that, man. We love to see AVAX absolutely take off. We love to see developers build. We starting to see traditional TradeFi get on to blockchain technology. And I do believe real world assets will be a big narrative in not just this bull market, but in upcoming bull markets, because we have so much more room to grow before big institutions fully trust, the crypto space. So that's why I believe AVAX is such a long-term play right now. I won't be trading AVAX too much because, like I said, it's long term. These assets are going to take time to onboard on to the blockchain, but once they do, it's going to help AVAX absolutely take off, guys. So that's my video. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notifications. Crypto Tro, I'm out of here.